Well, many commercial businesses are coming back to work maybe after 8, 9 weeks of being out. And of course, they are concerned about their employees having a clean environment. Well, that won't be a concern if they call Envision Cleaning Services to come in. This is some of the array of products that they use to make sure that that area is clean, sanitized, and disinfected. We talked to Sharice Allen, and she told us more. Sheree, welcome down to about Columbus. Good to have you in Envision Cleaning Services, LLC, on the show today.
Hello, how
Hi.
are you?
So, well, we're obviously in this age of COVID-19, and cleaning services are so important, especially for businesses. A lot of those companies welcoming employees back, and they want to make sure that the environment's clean and safe before they come back, and that's where you guys come in. Tell us a little bit about what you're encountering and what you're finding out there.
Well, everybody's trying to be very safe, of course. Disinfecting, everything is very vital and important to everyone, as it should be, even without COVID-19. But with this going on, we are trying our best to make sure everybody's needs are met during this pandemic. So we're just trying to keep everybody safe.
When you guys do a deep cleaning on an office that may have been shut down for 8, 9 weeks, what do you do? What kinds of things are you doing?
We are wiping literally everything, every surface, handle, doorknob, bathroom, sink, toilet, you name it, we wipe it. That's pretty much what we're trying to do. Even the things you're not even thinking about, we're thinking about it and we're wiping it down for you. We're just making sure everything's clear.
I notice here on the tray in front of us, or on the stand, a lot of sanitizers and things like that. Kind of run through the things that you're using to make sure that it's clean and it kills the virus.
Making sure that pretty much everything we're using is the approved disinfectant to be used. Making sure we have every type, the bleach, the Clorox, whatever you need, we're using it. The strongest stuff to make sure we get the cleanest result possible.
And we do mention it when you're doing your cleaning services and all that, even though we're not using masks right now, we're keeping our social
Yes, we
distance
are.
here.
Yes.
That when you are doing the cleaning services, you're all masked
We're
up
all
and doing that
masked
kind of
up,
stuff.
gloved up. We're protected too. Yes.
Yeah, fantastic.
We have to be protected to protect you.
It's definitely a service that's needed, especially in today's day and age, and we certainly appreciate you guys on the front line taking care of this stuff. Give us some contact information for Envision Cleaning Services so that we can give you a call.
Bam! There you go.
There it is. And you have a website as well, right?
Yes, Envision Cleaning Services LLC.com.
Fantastic. Well, good to have you on the show. Thanks
Thank
again.
you.